Sometimes you gotta use your noodle. What's your favorite frozen convenience meal? I'm all about Chicken Alfredo. I made a video about it. I'll link to it at the end. I tried a few different brands, found out what worked and what didn't, and now I'm going to combine all that to make a killer homemade version. Back to the store. I like the penne from the Zatarain's, so that's my pasta. The Devour brand had smoked sausage, so I'm going to add that, and it had peppers, so I'm going to add peppers with celery and onions, which is called Trinity, plus a little garlic so your breath smells good. I'm adding a Fresno as well, kind of like a jalapeno but more photogenic. Take a look at the ingredients in this sausage. Try to find one with simple ingredients, as natural as possible. Get the best quality chicken you can. I'm going to use this. You ever asked ChatGPT to do anything for you? I asked it to write me a simple recipe for blackening seasoning. Here's what it came up with. 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon cayenne, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of onion powder. Stir it all together, easy enough. Head over to the spice aisle. You're going to need paprika, cayenne, garlic powder, and onion powder for the blackening seasoning. You can also pick up some Cajun or Creole seasoning, or if you're like me, make your own. For the Alfredo sauce, you're going to need butter, heavy cream, and Parmesan cheese. Make sure you've got the cardiologist on speed dial. Grab some chicken stock so we can deglaze, and finish up with some green onions for garnish. Gonna taste it now. I've got some chicken, some sausage, and a noodle. Winner, winner chicken.